Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a quick little project. The driver's side low beam headlight, the bulb, it just stopped working, got a little notification while I was driving, and so just picked one up. I'm gonna be changing that out today. Should be a quick little project. I looked on YouTube for the easiest way to get it done, and there were like a bunch of different videos, a bunch of different ways to do it. So my goal today with this video is just to find the most efficient way, the easiest way to get that done so that you guys don't have to struggle and can get it done really quick. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the car, guys. As you guys can see, the passenger side headlight looks fantastic, and then if we just kind of go on over to the driver's side, not so much. Essentially the light that we're going to be replacing is this one, and in order to get to it we'll just have to reach in here, and if you guys can see that guy right there, essentially we have to pop that off. As you guys can imagine what that feels like. I got it. Bulb is right there. All you have to do is spin that counterclockwise and it should come out pretty easily. Alright guys, so I stopped by the Volkswagen dealership and I picked up this bulb. This bulb was about 30 bucks, which is a little bit more than I thought it would be. But maybe if you stop at like an auto parts store, you could probably get it for a little bit less. Alright, so I got my dad here to help me a little bit. He didn't want to be on camera, but I needed someone to hold for me. So as you guys can see, when I took it out of the housing there, it came with this little, what would you call this?
It's a holder, I mean.
Little holder, yeah. So this is what the bulb looks like. This is what the one that we just got out. So we got to figure out first how to get it out of that, swap it with this one, and then put it back in. There you go, guys. So that's all you do. You pretty much take it out of the housing, you pull it, and then we're gonna swap it with the new one.
Yeah, there's a this, you cannot mistake that. Look at this. Gotta go this way. There's only one way to do it.
Hopefully that helps you guys out. So now what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna put it back in, and then clockwise I'm gonna spin. So hopefully it works. Pretty tight fit. I'm just gonna try and go at an angle. Oh, there you go. You'll feel it. So you can feel it once you get it in there, angled pretty well. You'll feel it kind of click into place, and then all you have to do is spin clockwise.
You have to hear the click.
I'm just kind of seeing how it's aligning. You guys can actually see the bulb. It's gonna be hard to see on camera, but when you guys are doing it. There it is. I think that was it. That was the click. What I ended up doing to get it to fit was I actually stopped trying to push it in so far, and I took it out a little bit, and then it clicked really easily. So it's kind of deceptive. You're gonna think like you have to go in really deep, but in reality, it just take it out a little bit and then it'll click. It should click really easily. You shouldn't be having to push really hard. So that's just one thing that, you know, should pretty much help all you guys out. So I'll turn it on so you guys can see that I actually got it to work and I'm not just BSing. One thing I will say is, you know, the space is really tight. And so I would recommend, you know, if you guys have patience, I would do it this way. If you guys are pretty impatient or you have, you know, bigger hands, I'd probably look for an alternative way. But as you guys can see, we have lights and we're good to go. So the last little bit here is just gonna be put this little lid back on, and that's just gonna go right back on there. I'm not gonna show that because, you know, it's gonna be a little hard for you guys to see, and I don't think it's really gonna add that much value. So I just got that little lid back in. Overall, this job took between 5 to 7 minutes. And you know, the funny thing is, right before I got it done, I stopped by the Volkswagen dealership, as I said, to buy that light bulb. And I asked them, hey guys, you know, how much is this gonna cost to get it done? And they said it was gonna be around $80. $80 for a headlight replacement that takes 5 to 7 minutes. You know, I promise you guys, this project is pretty easy. All that it really takes is just a little bit of patience, because you guys aren't gonna get it right away. It's gonna take a little bit of maneuvering, especially when you're putting the light bulb back in, because it is a very tight space. And one thing that really helped me was, in the beginning I was trying to really push it in and like get it to click. You don't need to push very hard. You don't need to twist really hard in order to get it to click. It should be fairly easy. So with that said, if you guys got any value out of this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop a like and subscribe. I'm definitely gonna be posting more videos with this car and future cars, and so I'm excited to share with you guys that journey. So I look forward to catching you guys in the next one.